कोकण आमचे स्वर्ग. In this YouTube channel you are most welcome. So today I am going to cook paneer masala. So let's see how to make paneer masala. So first we will see ingredients for paneer masala. So I have here chopped onions, and I have taken paneer and I have chopped in slices. I have here some salt, red chili powder, garam masala, it is black pepper. Here I have cinnamon powder, some turmeric powder, garam masala, and asafoetida means hing. And here I have some bay leaves, some cloves, and some curry leaves. And here I have tomato puree. I have made the tomato puree. I have taken some tomatoes, and I have added ginger garlic paste, some chopped coriander, and I have grind it in the mixer. And here I have 3 teaspoon oil. So let's start cooking of paneer masala. So here first I am adding 3 teaspoon oil. And then when the oil will heat, I will add all the masalas. So let the oil heat. So I am making the gas fast. You can see it is on the high flame. So when the oil will heat, then I will all add the masalas. So our oil is heated now. So I am adding here 2 bay leaves, some curry leaves, some cloves, and I am going to mix it well. So now I am adding chopped onions. I have taken here 2 chopped onions, and I have cut it into small size. You can see this. So now mix it well. So when the onion will slightly golden color, then I will add the tomato puree, and we have to mix it. The onion will become slightly golden, and we will add tomato puree. So let the flame will high. So you can see this, the flame is high. So I am mixing it well. So the onion has taken lightly golden color. You can see this. So I am adding here tomato puree, and I am going to mix it well. So now I am adding red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, black pepper, cinnamon powder, am adding asafoetida, means hing. So now I am going to mix it well. If you want the paneer masala more spicy, you can add more masala, red chili powder means. And here I have boiled water, you can see this. So now I am adding this paneer slices. So now I am going to mix it well. So now mix it well. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon water. I am adding more water. So now mix it well and cook it on the medium flame. So now I am adding some salt. So I am going to mix it well. So it has mixed well. Now I am going to place the tin and I am going to cook on it medium flame. So I am cooking till 5 minutes on medium flame. So I have made the high flame. You can see this. Hi friends, if you like the video, then subscribe, like and share. So see, I have taken on the high flame. So the flame is on the high flame. Now I have taken the medium flame, so you can see the bubbles are coming, means it is boiling. So I am mix it well. So it is on the high flame and you can see this, the bubbles are coming. So guys, you can eat the paneer masala with roti or naan roti. So the flame is now medium, not on the high flame. I am going to mix it well. And all the masalas measure I am going to mention in the description box. So please see the description box. Don't miss to see description box. So I am keeping the flame high and cook it for 2 minutes. flame is now medium. So I have taken one bowl and I am removing the paneer masala. You can see the paneer is so nice, looking very tasty. Its smell is so nice. You can see how the paneer is coated into the masala. The paneer masala is looking very tasty. The smell is so nice. So now I am now take it in a bowl. So friends, you also cook like this recipe and tell to me how this recipe is. So your recipe will be so nice. It's very tasty. Try it and tell me how is your recipe. So friends, see you again after Monday or Sunday. I will make wheat halwa. So I will show you the recipe, but till now it is finished. So you also cook like this and tell to me how is your recipe. So goodbye.